When I negotiate, people tells me that I destroy people because I usually suck oxygen from the room, and the people gasping for air and stuff like that. You have to use a lot of time and lengthy type of techniques to negotiate to your best and stuff like that. Right now, gold is doing very well.
You like gold?
Yeah, until it lasts. Hedge funds, indexes, and try to protect your investment.
You have
like
a lot
that.
of money in cash right now.
Lots of money
Why?
in cash. Because basically the uncertainty of the time and stuff like that. Warren Buffett liquidated about $396 billion right now in cash. And there is a reason. Because he knew back 6 months ago the recession was coming, and because of that he protected himself with that.